Pull the accordion back together. Pull the music together. Use your legs too. There you go. Stay here. This is nice. Stay here. It's nice. Don't lose it. Get your inside rein and hip connected. Use your inside leg. Inside leg. There you go. Push your shoulders over. Good. Much nicer.
Okay, we need a break.
Much nicer. It's getting nice. So now you can post. When you get down at the bottom, I want you to sit back down and put them together again. There you go, inside aids. Just a little bit more, just a teeny bit more. Then you can take a break. Don't quit just a second yet. Just give yourself just a couple more laps on the circle here. A little bit more left leg, a little bit more inside rein connected to your hip here. Bring them together just a little bit on this inside. Little tap tap with this left foot. A little bit more. A little bit more enthusiasm for the energy here. Create energy. Keep the music playing while you're bringing the accordion front and back together. Good. Now just walk yourself. Exhale into the walk. Good.